Every day, hundreds of miners work at the heart of Mount Ijen, a volcano in East Java, Indonesia. Their job is to collect sulfur on the edge of one of the largest acidic lakes in the world. I think that no matter where we are, and despite the barriers created by the geography or the language, we all have stories that relate in one way or another. With the new LUMIX S series camera, I was able to follow the miners' journey as they ascended the volcano with their heavily laden baskets. I was blown away by the low light image quality of the new S series at high ISOs. I was able to see the detail in the billowing smoke and the stars above. I was able to capture the miners with autofocus precision, reliably locking on to their shape as they worked through the night. It's always a balance of connecting with people, letting them know you were there to learn about their world, and it's a privilege to be given a window into their lives.